Speed through English. Understanding mile a minute. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to speed through a fascinating English phrase that you might hear in everyday conversation. Mile a minute. This expression paints a vivid picture of speed and urgency. Let's buckle up and dive right into the fast-paced world of English idioms. Mile a minute is an idiom used to describe something happening very quickly or someone speaking very fast. It literally envisions something traveling at the speed of 1 mile per minute, which is pretty fast, considering that's 60 miles per hour. The phrase, mile a minute, is believed to have originated during a time when traveling a mile in a minute was a benchmark for remarkable speed. It was often used to describe the swift movement of trains, which, in the past, symbolized the pinnacle of modern speed. When you want to use mile a minute in conversation, it typically fits into sentences like, he talks a mile a minute, meaning he speaks very quickly. Or, time is moving a mile a minute, indicating that time seems to be passing very fast. Let's put our phrase into action. My mind was racing a mile a minute during the exam. She was explaining the rules a mile a minute, and I couldn't catch up. And just like that, we've reached the end of our quick journey through the phrase, mile a minute. I hope this video helps you understand and use this expression confidently in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is a marathon, not a sprint, but sometimes it's fun to go a mile a minute. See you in the next video.